With so much information at our fingertips, the average person uses data to aid decision-making every single day. We don't think too much about it, but the constant influx of new data has become a big part of our culture. The FAA recognizes the power of harnessing data in decision-making. The ability to tailor that data is at the heart of our automation evolution strategy. Discover how we can apply data in new and extraordinary ways, making flights more efficient and improving the safety of our skies. In the early 1960s, computer automation techniques were first applied to flight data processing systems, utilizing computers of that era. Through this effort, the FAA demonstrated that computers could be used to support the controller's decision-making, and in doing so, improve flight efficiency and aviation safety. A lot has changed since then. Today's framework of interconnected systems and real-time data provides a wealth of information at our fingertips. But this flood of data also presents a challenge. How do we tailor this extensive information to better utilize our airspace capacity? The answer lies in understanding these huge data sets and knowing when to apply them. Today's automation systems are based on the limited data of the past. As such, much of the data integration still lies in human hands. This means some of the richer information is not used to tailor the unique characteristics of each flight operation. However, the collection, processing, and dissemination of data can relieve much of this human burden. By tailoring these data sets into actionable information, we can greatly improve the safety and efficiency of each flight. But this can only happen if the automation that supports this process moves to a new architecture, one that can take full advantage of this new information. That's the concept of agile systems. Many small applications working together to create flexibility. This systems of applications approach creates a web of connected technologies that benefit the whole network. Modern technology has made this possible. It has dramatically accelerated data acquisition and processing, allowing us to leverage mountains of data into more meaningful information. This puts tailored decision-making in the hands of operators, reducing buffers and the uncertainty of information. The result? More accurate predictions and more efficient flights, which reduces fuel burn, resulting in less impact on the environment. With such profound benefits, the FAA has recognized the need to establish architecture and infrastructure to support these advances in automation technology. Our strategy: establish well-defined services, furnish supporting software platforms, and institute the mission software. To make this happen, our plan is rooted in supporting this strategy from several angles. It consists of 5 areas of focus. First, establish a service-based plan of architecture with an associated implementation plan. Second, define transition strategies that balance the need to reduce near-term costs. Third, leverage our lessons learned to apply new DevOps processes and tools to benefit the NAS. Fourth, engage with industry stakeholders to outline new opportunities and implement enhancements. And fifth, opening the lines of communication to all stakeholders. This means establishing a management structure to achieve strategy outcomes, incorporating recommended acquisition and contractual enhancements, and familiarizing the workforce with our service-based architecture approach. With these 5 areas of focus working in tandem, we can take full advantage of the vast data at our fingertips and embrace the next phase of automation. The FAA has already begun to roll out these advancements, one step at a time, without sacrificing safety-critical services. And as we gain more stakeholder support, we can incorporate them into more capabilities. In doing so, we can improve the efficiency of the NAS. An increase in agile systems, reducing buffers and uncertainty, more efficient, cost-effective flights, less fuel burn to lessen environmental impact. The advantages are astounding, Together we can make it happen. And as we continue to apply data to decision-making, the automation evolution will open up a world of new opportunities.